Thank you. Oh, it's nice. I really need this today. Hi guys, so what's up? Welcome back to our channel. I'm trying to keep up with the energy, but I'm PMSing, and how, dude? I do not feel like doing anything, but I really wanted to make this video. There are times and there are so many moments in our lives when we just don't want to get ready. Yeah. Like we don't feel like doing anything to our face or our hair, or we don't even feel like washing our face for that matter. It happens. It does happen with a lot of us. At least it happens with me a lot of times, especially when I'm PMSing. Now this is not PMS makeup, guys. This is one of those 5-minute routines which I do when I just cannot cancel any plan, you know, when I have to make myself look presentable and step out. I'm going to clip up my hair now. Let's do this. Now the first thing that we all should do when we don't feel like getting ready is wash our face. I have already washed my face, but there's a little hack which I wanted to show you which always works for me. It is something related to a moisturizer. Right now my face is dry, but after washing your face, you know, don't completely dry it down. Keep it a little damp. Because my face is dry right now, I'm gonna spray a little water on my face just to make it a little damp. Now how this works is when your face is damp, right, that's when you should apply your moisturizer, especially if your skin is dry. I have this problem of getting dry patches and stuff, and I always apply my moisturizer like this. Like I leave my face a little damp and then take my moisturizer and spread it all over my skin. This really helps. Once I'm done applying my moisturizer, depending on what time of the day I'm stepping out, I apply a sunscreen. If I'm forced to go for this plan in the evening, then I skip sunscreen. But in the afternoon, I do apply sunscreen. In this case, I am going to apply it. I'm using this sunscreen from Conscious Chemist. Now the next thing which I do is apply a face powder. I'll actually show you something, one sec. There's a face powder from Pond's which I usually use. Now I got this from Thailand. This is unfortunately not available here. Since this is not available here, I'm not going to use it, and I will use a translucent powder. When I did not have this, I would use that, you know, that pink Pond's powder which comes. Sometimes I would just apply that powder. But today I'm going to use this translucent powder from Too Faced. Now this is also something which I bought from Nykaa during the sale. I'm going to apply this powder all over my face. Now since this is a translucent powder, it's not going to give you any coverage, but for some reason it kind of makes you look neat. After applying this powder, you can of course notice that I've got like certain darker areas which are highlighting on my face right now. So to cover those areas, I'm going to use MAC's Powder Foundation, my OG favorite compact. I only apply it on the areas where I feel I need just a little bit of coverage. To be honest, I just mainly apply it under my eyes. Yeah, like I couldn't care less about my pigmentation and stuff when I'm getting ready like this. But it's up to you. Like if you feel like applying it all over your face, then you can do it. Otherwise, you know, these kind of face powders, translucent powders, they're lighter on the skin. I've only applied the powder over here. I've left my eyelids as it is. I'm not going to touch them. In this routine, out of those 5 minutes, there's just one step which takes about 2 minutes of my time, and that is filling up the eyebrows. I know you must be thinking that why will I spend time filling up my eyebrows when I don't even feel like getting ready? But trust me when I say this, if there is one product apart from lipstick which enhances your look instantly, is an eyebrow filler. It really makes a lot of difference, guys, and that's why I use an eyebrow filler even if I'm doing like a 5-minute routine. You can of course use any eyebrow filler of your choice. I am using the Benefit one. Also, I'm not doing any heavy eyebrow filling which looks like a stamp on the face. I'm just lightly filling all the gaps. It honestly took less than 2 minutes. I think I've become faster with this. Anyway, now moving on to the next step. The next step is using a mascara. Even if you don't apply any sort of eyeshadow or eyeliner on your eyes, a mascara will ensure that your eyes open up. I'm using Maybelline Sky High Mascara. I'm gonna apply just one coat of it. We're down to the last and final step, guys. I'm going to use a tint on my cheeks and on my lips. I'm using Etude House Fixing Tint. Love this tint. I put 2 little dots on my cheeks and I'm just spreading it with my fingers, guys. This is a very natural tint, by the way. It gives such a nice flush to the cheeks. It does not even look like makeup on the skin. It looks like you've been out in the sun for a long time and your cheeks are red. I usually apply a little bit of blush on my nose as well to get that flushed look, but I am not taking extra blush. I'm just running my finger on my nose. I think the blush is more than enough. I'm not going to build it up. Now finally I'll apply the same tint on my lips. That's it, guys. We are ready, and this is all that I do when I don't feel like getting ready. It really only takes just 5 minutes of my time. I'm not joking about it. When you try it out on your own, you'll realize how fast you can do this. After doing this 5 minutes makeup, if at all I have more time, more than anything else, if I'm feeling like it, then I also touch up my hair with a hair iron. Or I just tie them up if I'm not feeling it at all. There's one more thing which I do before stepping out, and I feel like it really helps in lifting up my mood. That is using a nice perfume, guys. Good fragrances can instantly lift up your mood and give you the motivation to go out. Fortunately, I don't have anywhere to go out today. So I'm just gonna enjoy my coffee and sit with this makeup for some more time. Maybe just click few pictures or something. I'm gonna end this video right here, guys. Thank you so much for watching this mini tutorial. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below if you enjoyed watching this tutorial, and also, let me know what kind of videos you want to watch on this channel. I do want to try certain different things, and I do want to experiment a bit with my content. I would love to know what you guys enjoy watching these days. Take care of yourself and stay safe. I'll see you soon again in the next one. Bye. Mwah.